Good morning, friends. We are headed up to Meredith area up in New Hampshire today. Stopping at a customer's house to fix up a very special Porsche that he recently acquired. There's a little bit of damage on one of the wheels and dents on a couple of the doors. I'll show you the car, give you a nice walk around, and we'll see what we can do to clean it up. So I'm over at my buddy Danny's house. He recently picked up a 1985 DP 935 Turbo. Sent me some pictures of it. It's got a couple dents on the doors that we're going to be cleaning up in a second. But he also had a scuff on one of his rear wheels. I think these are E50s. They're, original and old magnesium face BBS are awesome. We're going to clean them up this winter correctly, but for now, we just kind of sanded down the curb rash, polished it up just so it's presentable. You can see he's got his white 25th anniversary Countach. If you were up at Castle of the Clouds, you probably saw this car one festive show. And the red Mercy behind me, we had the opportunity to take up there. Super good time, but I also had the opportunity to clean up the wheels on the 25th anniversary Countach. They had some pitting, oxidization on the lips. Scuffed those up and they look pretty good. Alright, so we have cleaned up the wheels on the 935. It's got a couple dents in the doors, especially one in the passenger door. I'll show you in a second. We're going to clean that up for Danny and get on the way. As you can see, got a quarter size dent right there in the door. A little tough to see, but there we go. So we got our Lamborghini light set up. We got the door wedge and the window protector. We're going to come down through the window, get a tool on that dent, and see if we can push it out. Couple pushes on the 935, got down through the window, plenty of access. That looks great. Let's take a look. Alright, so that's a couple jobs wrapped up at Danny's house. He took recently delivery of a new NSX. I will insert some B-roll here. Glad we were able to clean up the 935. Thanks for tagging along. I guess I'll see you in the next one.